Watching this video, you will learn the workflow for multiple post and core in the Trios application. With 3Shape Trios, it's easy to scan a multiple post and core case and send it directly to the lab. You can do that using the integrated system of scan posts that corresponds to the drill used. Scan posts can be autoclaved to avoid cross-contamination. 3Shape is the only company that supplies this solution. Contact your official 3Shape resellers to obtain a post and core scan post kit. Starting on the patient's page, select the patient, then click New Session and select the lab. If you have only one lab, this lab is automatically pre-selected. The order form will appear. Mark the tooth that needs to be restored. The tooth will be outlined as green. The indication tab will open on the bottom of the window. Go to the Post and Core tab and select Post and Core Restoration. Then, in the drop-down list, select the system you have used for this tooth and the scan post that you will use for your preparation. At the end, select the desired material. Now proceed to the scan page, where you will have to make 4 scans. Lower arch without scan posts. This will be the master model. Lower arch, just adding scan posts. And antagonist, which is the upper arch, in this case, and then bite. First, use retraction cord and/or hemostatic agent if parts of the margin line are subgingival. In this case, start by scanning the opposing arch to allow time for the retraction methods to take effect. As the preparation is on the lower arch, on this particular case, start by scanning the upper arch. Follow the official scan strategy, which is start by scanning the occlusal surface from the molar to the canine. Then, as it is the upper arch, slowly roll to the buccal side and move the scanner in the distal direction. Finally, slowly roll over the last molar and scan the palatal side. Now scan the lower arch without scan posts. It's important to scan the same area as in the upper jaw for the best possible bite later on. Leave the retraction cord in place and scan the arch following the official scan strategy, which is start by scanning the occlusal surface from the molar to the canine. Then, as it is the lower arch, slowly roll to the lingual side and move the scanner in the distal direction. Finally, slowly roll over the last molar and scan the buccal side. Make sure to cover the contacts. Then trim away the margin in the scan using the trim tool. Remove the retraction cord, dry the teeth, and scan the margin immediately before the gingiva collapses. Finally, mark the preparation. You will see a blue overlay around the preparation mark, indicating the area that will be automatically cut out when going to the scan post page. If necessary, you may reposition the prep mark to obtain your desired cutout. You may adjust the automatic cutout radius on the settings page, Scan, or you may turn it off completely if you prefer to trim manually. Always use the smallest cutout area possible for a given restoration. Now proceed to the scan post page. Place the first scan flag. Scan from all directions and also a little bit from below to capture the cylindrical shape of the scan flag. It is necessary to capture all sides of the cylinder for the technician to be able to place the virtual scan flag in the 3Shape dental system software. As the molar has 2 roots, there is the option to place 2 posts for increased stability and retention. To add a second post, press Add Scan in the lower right corner. Remove the first scan post and put in the next scan post. Pay attention to the selected size on the order page. Now repeat the procedure as with the first scan post. Now remove the scan flag and scan the byte. Follow the software's scanning tips for the best results. Ask the patient to bite firmly and start by scanning at the most distal position, moving slowly forwards. Both scans will snap into position and the jaws are aligned. The scan should cover at least 3 to 4 teeth for perfect alignment, even if the scans snap together earlier. Switch to the Analyze page to confirm that there is enough space for the reconstruction between the upper and lower jaw. Set the margin line and optionally add some comments or shade measurements. To learn more, see the Trios Analyze Page Tools video. Finally, switch to the Send page. After approving the order, press Send Order. When the order has been sent, the 3-shape Communicate window becomes active. You can use it for communicating with a lab, writing comments, and sending snapshots. Thank you and goodbye.